What exists above and below the solar system? We usually think that the center of the solar system is the Sun, which is stationary, and that the 8 planets, including the Earth, and other celestial bodies orbit the Sun in an orderly manner. This perception begs the question: is the Sun suspended in the universe? The answer is no. In fact, the Sun is not stationary, but leads the entire solar system around the center of the Milky Way at a speed of about 230 kilometers per second. Interestingly, there is an angle of about 60 degrees between the orbital plane of the Sun and the plane of the Earth's orbit around the Sun, i.e., the ecliptic plane. Therefore, the actual movement of the solar system in the universe is not a simple circular trajectory, but presents a special spiral motion. It follows that the Sun is not still in the universe. The reason why we have a common schematic diagram of the solar system is that the Sun is said to be fixed is only to help you understand the structure and operation of the solar system more intuitively. Next, let's explore where the above and below of the solar system point towards. It is important to note that the above and below here are just concepts defined by humans in order to describe directions. Let's start with a picture. You can recognize the Earth at a glance from the picture, but if you look closely, you may feel that something is wrong. The reason for this is that the top of this image is the southern hemisphere, while the bottom is the northern hemisphere. If we turn it upside down, we feel more in line with conventional perceptions. This is actually due to human habits, usually by default up north and down south. Based on this principle, we can also define the north of the solar system as above and south as below. However, how to determine the specific direction? In astronomy, in order to avoid confusion between the definitions of north and south, the right-hand rule is often used to determine the polarity of celestial bodies. As shown in the diagram, if the 4 fingers of the right hand are bent to indicate the direction of rotation of the object, then the direction of the thumbs up is the north pole of the object. In the solar system, the equatorial plane of the Sun almost coincides with the ecliptic plane, and the rotation direction of the Sun coincides with the rotation direction of the 8 planets. Therefore, we can use the right-hand rule to define the north and south of the solar system. According to this principle, the direction of the north yellow pole in the diagram can be regarded as the due north of the solar system, and the north celestial pole represents the due north of the Earth. The discrepancy between the two is due to the fact that the Earth's axis of rotation is not perpendicular to the ecliptic plane. According to the definition of up north and down south, we can think of the direction of the north yellow pole as above and its opposite direction as below. In fact, this standard is often used by astronomers when mapping the distribution of celestial bodies around the solar system. For example, here's a map showing the distribution of stars in the vicinity of the solar system over a range of 12.5 light-years. It is worth mentioning that 3 planets have been confirmed around Proxima Centauri, among which the rocky planet named Proxima Centauri B is similar to Earth. Observational data shows that it has a radius of about 1.07 times that of Earth, a mass of about 1.17 times, and more importantly, it is located in the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri, which means that there may be life on this planet.